Hey, what's going on, everyone? I got something pretty cool I wanted to show you. I ordered off Amazon, and that is it. It doesn't look like much, anything special, but I'll show you what it is. I've had fledglings in my horse water trough, and over the years, over about 10 years, I've had a couple fledglings and a like a rabbit, something that's got into my little fish pond. You can see back here in the background, and they actually drowned if you're not home. So these are actually made for like a pool, but I thought they'd work. They're for the critters. Okay, so at least I don't feel guilty. I've done something to give them a chance. But what it has is it has this little inflatable piece here. Oop, and you just blow it up. You can see this thing here like a raft. Put the plug in, and then you can put this in your water trough, your pool, your pond, what have you, and it floats, and if anything gets in there, they got a chance they can grab on this netting, get up on here, and then it has a ramp to get out of the pond to prevent a drowning event. So this has Velcro right here, so you can just put rocks or whatever, something heavier than the critter, right? And you can, I just put it over the edge of the pond and put the little put some rocks inside and then rocks over top. So I'll show you what I got. This one, it came in a 2-pack at Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So 2 of them was 15 bucks, shipped with the Prime. So here's the 2-pack. I'm gonna put one in the, that one is going in the water trough. This one's already in the pond. So you can see it's inflated here in the pond, and then here's the ramp up. And like I said, in the little pouch, I've got a rock inside the pouch, and then I've just got a bigger rock on top to lock it down in place. And that'll give something a fighting chance. Even if it gets on there and can't get out, I'm here every day. So if I see something on there, I can help it along. But that'll give it a shot going out. So just wanted to share that. Yeah, in case you guys have a just a little worry, a little guilty conscience about that, and you want to protect these pets. You want to protect these critters. I call them pets because they're always out here with me. You get used to them, they become your buddies. But yeah, at least that'll give them a fighting chance. And like I said, 2 of them was only 15 bucks. So I thought it was worth it. And I'm sure you could do some homemade stuff. If you had a Bowie, even some cheap chicken wire on a little pond like that would be good. But for no more than that cost, I figured it was worth a shot. Like I said, and in the wintertime, I cover this with a netting anyway. So in the cold months, I'll just take it out and cover it with the netting. There's not too much activity. But this will give everything a fighting chance. So let me know what you think. Check it out. I'll leave the link. And hope you guys are being nice to your animals. And have a good one.